most daunting thing is the lack of trees. So when there's lack of trees, there's lack of shade, and also with no trees, you don't have a lot of oxygen.
The reason why I participate in this workshop is because I want to know more about the city transformation and also the current urban planning. Is it suitable for the sustainable development, and what else we can improve in the future, and also the structural plan for the Georgetown. Yeah, that's all from me.
I love this event very much since the youth have the opportunities to speak up their ideas.
I like this event very much because I was able to get into contact with different students that which I could not connect with when I was in my college.
And the overall program was very nice. It was interesting, and most of the presentations was all interesting, and the judges all was good. Their presentations was good, and I loved it. The food they provided also was good.